Hi everybody, we are going to have visits today to venerate the cross between 4 and 7 p.m. and then from 9 and midnight. And so at 3 o'clock we'll be streaming the Liturgy of the Lord's Passion, and then whenever that's finished around 4 o'clock we will have the church unlocked, and if you want you can come in 10 at a time for some visits. And I'm inside right now looking out at the behind glass because it's so windy right now that if I was out there you couldn't hear anything. So you just come in and be able to go in the church, and we can't kiss or touch the cross, but it'll be up on the altar and you can kind of bow down and venerate, or bow down and genuflect and venerate from a distance. And so that'll be from 4 till 7, and then we'll close the church again, and then we have the Spanish liturgy at 8, and then starting up at 9 o'clock till midnight. So if you want to come in, you can do that. God bless. Bye-bye. When you come up, please park in the handicap spots over here, and then wait to be queued to come in to the church. And then you'll just enter through here, and then you can leave. And when you drive off, just go off the circle. But please park over here first, and then this other spots, and then we will let you in. God bless. Bye.